Hi guys, over here I have the iPhone 17 Pro. Particularly I went for the one with the silver color. There are other color options you can actually choose from, like the cosmic orange or the deep blue. And again, mine is actually the one with the 256 gig of storage space, as you can see from over here. However, you can actually go for the one with 1 terabyte of storage or even a 512 gig storage. And basically in this video I will be unboxing this device and showing you how to set it up from start to finish. Without wasting much of your time, let's quickly unbox one of the best iPhones Apple has ever produced. So I'm just going to turn over to the right, just like so. Proceed to peel it up from the top, just like so. Then the same thing from the bottom. Wow, this looks really cool, but as usual this should almost be the same unboxing experience as most iPhones over the years. There is absolutely nothing new. So here you have the iPhone 17 Pro, and I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. Wow, so we have the iPhone over here, and then here we have our charging cable and the SIM ejector tool as well. So I'm just going to open it up from over here. And basically that is all we get inside of the box of the iPhone 17 Pro. Now without wasting much of your time, let's proceed to turn on and set up the iPhone 17 Pro for the first time. First, you have to turn it on by long pressing on the power button, which is over here. So just press and hold until you see the Apple logo. And you should also see the welcome screen. That is the hello welcome screen. And now you have to select your language. So you just have to swipe up like so, and then proceed to select your language. So are we going with English over here? You can scroll down and select any language of your choice. Just tap on it. Now you also have to select your country or your region. You can scroll down and then select any region or country you want. Mine is Nigeria. All I just have to do is to click on it, and now you have to choose the appearance you want for your iPhone 17 Pro. You can go for the default, the medium, or the large. I'll be going with the medium. Once you're done, click on the continue button from the bottom over here, and now we are greeted with the quick setup process. If you have another iPhone and you want to quickly just set up your new iPhone by transferring all of your details from one iPhone to the other, you can simply just do that by bringing both devices close. But if you don't want to set up your new iPhone 17 Pro with your previous iPhone, you just want to set it up by itself, all you just have to do is to go down and then click on the setup without another iPhone option at the bottom over here. Go ahead and tap on that, and now you have to connect your iPhone 17 Pro to your Wi-Fi or another hotspot network. So currently this is my Wi-Fi. I'll go ahead and select it, then proceed to enter your Wi-Fi password. Once you're done, you want to click on the enter or check button at the bottom over here, and now it is connected. Click on continue. And at this point, it is just going to take a couple of minutes to successfully activate your new iPhone 17 Pro. Once the activation is completed, you'll be taken to this data and privacy page. All you just have to do is to read through this, click on continue at the bottom. Now you'll be asked to choose which age range is using this phone. You can choose a child, 18, or an adult. I'll be using an adult over here, that is 18 years older. And now you also have to set up your Face ID. You can choose to do this later, but I recommend you do it now. So just click on the continue button over here. Now just go ahead and click on the get started button, and then place your iPhone 17 Pro to your face while turning your head around. Then proceed to click on don't use Face ID with a mask. Click on the continue button at the bottom over here, and then you also have to enter a passcode for your iPhone 17 Pro. I'll go ahead and enter mine, then proceed to enter your passcode again. And that is basically all you have to do. At this point, if you want to transfer your apps, photos, information, and data that has been stored in your iCloud, maybe you have an iCloud on a previous iPhone or iOS device before, you can choose to just recover all of those information back into your iPhone 17 Pro. So if it is on the cloud, you can choose the cloud backup, or from another iPhone or from another Mac or Android device as well. You can choose any of these. But for this video, I'm just going to set up this device as though it is new. So I'm just going to click on the don't transfer anything over here. And also you have to set up your Apple account. If you have your Apple account, you can simply just proceed to enter your email over here and set it up. Or you can actually choose to do this later if you want. So just click on the forget password or don't have an account option over here, and then click on set up later in settings. So you can do this from the settings on your iPhone later if you want. However, keep in mind that it is very important that you create an Apple account if you don't have one and set it up on your iPhone if you want to be able to enjoy all of the features that the iPhone 17 Pro actually comes with. So click on the don't use over here for now. Go ahead and read through all of the terms and conditions. Click on continue at the bottom. Basically, you want to click on continue for automatic updates over here. Go ahead and click on continue, and then for your location services, just go ahead and click on the turn on location services over here. Now, my version of the iPhone 17 Pro supports both a physical SIM and an eSIM, so I am being asked to set up my eSIM. You can do this later if you want, so just click on set up later over here, and you can also set up a screen time to get weekly reports of your screen time. I will recommend you just click on the continue button for now. If you want your iPhone 17 Pro to often send your information and data to Apple, you can click on share with Apple. If you don't want that, just click on don't share at the bottom over here. And finally, you would have to choose your theme. So you can go for the light, the auto, or the dark. I'll go with the auto over here, then click on continue at the bottom. Now, basically, these are some of the Apple Intelligence features. You can go ahead and turn it on by simply just clicking on the continue button at the bottom over here. And now it is taking us through some of the newest features that comes with the newest iPhones recently. So this is actually the camera control with the side button over here. Click on continue. And also there is the visual intelligence with camera control. Just click on continue. There is also the mute button at the top right corner, which you can actually customize to do anything on your iPhone. You can go ahead and customize it right away, or just do that later. So I'll click on not now option, scroll down, click on continue, and basically that is all that there is to setting up the iPhone 17 Pro. Proceed to click on the get started button, and at this point, if you actually want to create an Apple account or set up your Apple account, if you already have one, you just have to go over to the settings, click on the Apple account option at the top over here, and then choose to sign in either manually or sign in with another device. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.